Everyone knows that AI is the future of all businesses. But no one knows exactly how to use AI tools in order to start their own businesses and scale them to 5 figures each and every month. Well, not anymore, because in this exact video I am going to show you exactly a copy and paste method that you can use to start your own business and scale it to tens and thousands of rands each and every month. Just like Warren. You see, Warren is a young man that started from university. He wanted to start his own business, but he did not know how he could do it. He tried so many things before, but none of them actually seemed to work. Until one day, he actually came across Elite Life Strategies while scrolling online. And after joining Elite Life Strategies, he learned something called AI tools and how to actually optimize those tools to build businesses that generate you tens and thousands of rands each and every month. And in this video, I am going to show you how he used motion to start his own business and scale it to tens and thousands of rands each and every month. So what is Motion AI? You see, Motion AI is an AI tool that allows businesses to integrate it and let it deal with everything that has to do with communications between a business and its customers. This AI tool allows the company to worry less about customer service because it allows businesses for the first time ever to have an AI employee to be on customer support 24/7. Any complaint that is being lodged by a customer, whether it is returning a product, whether it is asking a question for further education on what the company is selling, whether it is lodging a return, a complaint, this AI tool handles it all. And not only that, it allows businesses for the first time ever to have an employee that handles everything when it comes to doing emails, when it comes to talking to many customers at one time. When you want to put out a special offer to your own customers, you no longer have to hire a team of 5 people to do the very same thing that this AI tool does within a minute. A task that used to cost businesses 5,000 rands each and every month to hire 5 people to work on the same thing, this AI tool does it in under 2 minutes and saves the company money and makes the company more profit each and every month. You see, after studying how motion actually works, Warren realized something. You see, 67% of businesses all over the world lose 30% of revenue, 30% of their customers due to bad customer support. You might be asking yourself, how does that actually happen? Well, let me break it down. You see, whenever a customer has a question that they need to be asked, that they need to be answered in order to make sure that they are purchasing the right thing, or if this thing that they are purchasing from your business is actually something that will solve the problem that they have here at home, they will ask customer support in order to actually get the right information before purchasing. And if in your business you give an answer that has less substance, you give an answer that does not relate to the question that the customer asks you, or you reply at a late stage, guess what? This customer will shift from wanting to buy from your business and shift to buying from another business. And what motion does is it allows you to eliminate the delay between a question that is being asked by a customer and a response that they get back, because it replies instantly using AI powered knowledge to give the most relevant, most accurate, and an answer that ensures that the customer buys with immediate effect, because it has been tailored to know everything about sales, know everything about marketing, and know everything about customer psychology. All of these allows businesses to make 30% more revenue each and every month just by integrating this AI tool to ensure that their communication has been handled by the best of the best in the world, which is AI. You see, after doing a study, he realized something very major and important. All around the world, businesses that do not use AI or have bad customer communication, guess what? They lose over 100 million US dollars each and every month. And businesses that integrate AI, that allows the AI to handle everything that has to do with customer communication, guess what? They make 30% more each and every month. Meaning that if a business usually makes 100,000 each and every month, if they integrate AI, they make 30,000 more. And it is no longer 100,000 anymore. If they use AI, they are making 130,000 each and every month. And after he realized that opened his whole mind to start a business that helps businesses with bad customer communication to actually integrate AI into their businesses, allow it to handle everything that has to do with customer communication, and close more deals each and every month. And he decided to go about it in two ways. The first way that he decided to do is he decided to approach local companies that were pulling in over 50 to 80,000 rands each and every month in his local city. He went on to these companies, showed them how he can help them make more revenue each and every month by using AI workflow and automating everything that has to do with communications. He showed them how this motion app can actually make their lives a whole lot easier, save them money in terms of hiring more staff to do with customer support, and make more money by allowing this AI to go to work and closing more deals for them. And after he did that, guess what? He approached, I think it was 275 companies in his local area. And he did that up until one day he closed just one client that paid him 5,000 rands each and every month. And After doing the automation for that client, guess what? Within 3 months, that company started to see some real profit. Within 7 months, that company was no longer a small company in the local area. That company expanded into more areas, all by improving their customer communication, all by building actual customer loyalty, actual commitment towards their customers, ensuring that their customers are not left in a darkness and are actually attended at the right time, are attended at all times by this AI employee. Guess what? After he had done that, the owner of that business, when he goes out to branch with other businessmen, guess what? They refer him to those business people. And when they refer him, that business grew because he actually met more customers that were dealing with the same problem, and they saw it work for someone who is a close friend of them. And they went to Warren and they asked him how can he help them make sure that their companies keep on closing more deals each and every month. Take that 30% that is being left on the table each and every month due to bad communication. And guess what? After he had done that, he collected about over 5 clients off of the referrals. Each of those clients were paying him 5,000 rands each and every month. And after doing that, he took those testimonials of the clients on his local area and decided to put them on social media and advertising his business on social media that sells AI automation for businesses that actually have poor customer support, businesses that are still growing, businesses that cannot afford to hire a big sales team that inevitably wastes all their money. And he advertised this AI employee. Within 7 months of advertising online, he closed over 30 clients all online, and those clients were paying him 10,000 rands each and every month, meaning that he was making loads of money just by understanding how AI actually works, just by building a business all on one thing, using AI to help other businesses make more money. And now you might be asking yourself, how can I actually use this AI to help me start my own business from scratch, scale it to tens and thousands of rands each and every month? Well, guess what, my friend? You have come to the right place, because I have started Elite Life Strategies to help people that want to learn exactly how to start their own business from zero, scale it to tens and thousands of rands, and be financially free. Inside of Elite Life Strategies, you will meet over 3,000 other entrepreneurs that are running very successful businesses, and you will also learn the exact blueprint to start your own business, scale it to tens and thousands of rands. And after doing that, you are going to pick just one AI tool that you want to implement and sell that tool to millions of customers that are waiting with thousands of rands in their pockets, waiting to buy from your business in order to make their lives a whole lot easier. All that you have to do is master how to build a business, structure it the correct way, and pick one AI tool, integrate the two, and sell and make millions each and every month. And if you are looking for where to start in order to make sure that you begin at the right path and finish as fast as possible so you can start your own business and scale it to tens and thousands of rands, watch this video right here.